The project chatbot sits beside the workspace. Treat it as context-aware. The active project and active tab shape the answer. In this environment, the composer is intentionally disabled until a production-ready model is configured. That is a real safety boundary, not a failed chat request. The plus button still exposes attachments, skills, plugins, and workspace shortcuts. Review available tools before asking AI to act. Before sending, check model route, thinking depth, and side talk mode. Expensive or state-changing workflows should show a plan preview before approval.